Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to check your Shopify store's URL. Knowing your store's URL is essential for sharing your site with customers and managing settings. So let's jump in. First, you have to log into your Shopify admin. To do so, just go to your web browser and then in the search bar enter shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, just go to online store. Here, click on view store. You will be redirected to a website. And from this website, you can see your URL. Just click on the website here, and this is your URL. If you've added a custom domain, go to online store, then click on domains. Here you'll see primary domains and any additional domains linked to your store. The primary domain is your public store URL. You can share URL with customers or update it. If you want to add or change your domain, click Buy New Domain or connect an existing one. After making any updates, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Shopify store URL, which you can now share with your customers or update as needed. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.